Good morning, students. Last lecture we have seen about what is machine design and what are the general procedure or steps involved in designing a machine component. Okay, if you have any doubt, please regarding ask me. Okay, now next move to our next point, that is general consideration in machine design. See, design procedure and general considerations are two different points. Okay, so in exam means in winter 16 exam, the question may be asked like that: state the main consideration in machine design. Okay, so we can see one by one. First is types of loads and stresses caused by the load. Okay, means sometimes externally applied loads on a machine component may act in several ways, but the component tries to resist this load, and due to which internal stresses are induced in the component. So first consideration is types of load and stresses caused by the load. Then second, motion of the parts. Okay, so while designing any machine component, you should know the motion of the parts or kinetics of motion. Okay, or group of mechanism. So in our design procedure we have seen about second step, synthesis or mechanism. Like that means successful operation of any machine depends largely upon the simple arrangement of parts which will give you your required motion. Okay, next is third, selection of material. Okay, in selection of material, so designer should have a deep knowledge of properties of materials and their behavior under working conditions. That is, you know, or you may study in strength of material, properties of material, selection of material. Some of the properties listed here: strength, durability, flexibility, weight, resistance to heat and corrosion, castability, weldability, hardenability, machinability, and etc. So this is the also main consideration in design. Third is fourth is convenient and economical features. Okay, so while you designing any machine components or any machine, the machine should be convenient to operate and cost wise economical for the customer to purchase. Okay, example, before you, when you buy any type of product or in daily needs, you buy any type of mobile, so what will you choose? Okay, so you will choose the cost and it should be convenient to economical features for a customer. Okay, now then number 5, use of standard parts. Use of standard parts reduces the overall cost. Okay, by using standard cost you may reduce the overall cost of the product. Okay, then 6, safety of operation. To avoid accidental hazards, care should be taken by designer against all possibilities of dangerous situations. So safety of, while doing operation, safety should be provided. Then 7, workshop facilities. A design engineer should be familiar with limitations of his employee's workshop, and in order to avoid the necessity of vendors, you should provide the best workshop facilities. Okay, number 8, number of machines to be manufactured. So number of machines to be manufactured on your production lines. Next, cost of construction and assembling. So design engineer should always to design a part, product or any type of machine, what you say, in such a way that production cost will be less, and this will benefit manufacturer as well as customer. Okay, and next is ease in assembly. Here in consideration I am not listed this point, but you should keep in mind for your better information. Next is in assembly. All the components should easy to assemble. For creating a machine or simplicity in design should be top priority for any design engineer. Okay, and last is frictional resistance and lubrication. So in frictional resistance and lubrication, design engineer should provide all necessary lubrication to all moving parts of machine, so movement can be sliding, rolling, rotary, reciprocating, etc. Okay, so in general design consideration you may write any type of design consideration. Okay, but in design of procedure of machine component you should follow these procedure like that: need, synthesis, analysis, material design, modification, detail, and production. Okay students, thank you.